here we are with another sensory circuit. So to start off with our alerting, we have come to the staircase. So we are just going to go up one step and down like this, okay? So you need to be on your staircase to do it, obviously. So that's the first minute, and then the second minute, we are going to do twists like this. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Seconds. Okay. Whew. Just get our breath back. And then the second part we're going to do our twists for 1 minute. Okie dokie. Off we go. Halfway there. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so for our organising part of the sensory circuit, the first part we are going to play Simon Says. So you can either play along with me and miss, or you could play it with a partner. It's up to you. Okay, are you ready? Simon says touch your knees. Simon says touch your shoulders. Touch your head. Simon says jump 3 times. Simon says stand on one leg. Simon says put your finger on your nose. Touch your ear. Oh! Simon says nod your head 3 times. Simon says touch your toes. Simon says stand back up. Simon says do head, shoulders, knees and toes. Touch your foot. Oh. Wiggle your body. No! Simon says touch your head. Simon says cross your arms. Simon says turn round in 1 circle. Simon says bend down on your knees. Simon says stand back up. Okay, how did you do? For the next part of the organising, we're going to do a similar activity we've done before with the spots, but this time you're going to do it with your feet. Okie dokie, let's go.
Orange, purple, blue, red, yellow, pink, blue, red, purple, orange, yellow, pink, blue, orange, red, yellow, blue, pink, red, yellow, purple, orange, blue, red, purple, pink, orange, yellow, and last one, pink.
Okay, so this is the calming part of our sensory circuit. So this week we are on chairs. So if you grab yourself a seat, and we're going to do some stretches and breathing. Okay, so the first one is we're going to pop our legs out and we're going to stretch down to touch our toes. Okay.
Okay, and then the next one is pigeon pose. So you're going to take one leg and bring it up to rest on your other leg. I'm just going to stretch like that. Okay, and then swap legs.
And then we're going to stand up and hold on to the chair to do our tree pose. You don't need the chair, you don't have to use it, that's fine. And swap legs. Okay.
And then to finish off, we're going to do some bubble breathing. So pretend that you've got a bubble in your mouth, and when you breathe out, you're going to blow the bubble and breathe it back in, okay?